Here's your 2013 Ford F-150 crew cab. It has a 3.5 EcoBoost in it, Lariat trim. Does come with 2 sets of keys with remote start. The appearance on the outer side. And I introduce myself. It's Ivan Lopez here at Banner Ford in Mandeville, 985-966-9443. That's me. Let's get back to your truck. This is the appearance on the outer side. There's your shoes. Of course, it just came out of service, so there need to be still details. It looks like, from what I'm looking at here, it does have a leveling kit on the front. Fixed running boards. Got the window guards around the mirror windows. They're glass. Of course, you can tell medallion is actually a 4-wheel drive. Rear sensing, rear camera. Keypad for keyless entry. And definitely have spaces on front. Definitely lift it up. Let's take a look at peep in the inside. Light gray interior. Middle armrest. Driver's seat. Second row, of course. 4-wheel drive, locking differential, brake assist. Dual climate control, CD player. Door garage opener, Bluetooth, cruise control. Second row seats. Cup holder. Power inverter. Rear vents. Drop-in bed liner. Keypad for your keyless entry. There's a blink in the bottom of the mirrors. People beside you knowing that you're going to switch over at the last minute, of course. Automatic headlights. Vent control. Adjustable pedal. Adjust them down. And adjust them back up. 5'9", definitely need all the leg room as possible. Memory seating as well. Here's your driven miles. Cruise control, Bluetooth. Grab the keys here, my bad. You got cooling and heating seats out front. Again, we talked about the dual climate control. Rear camera. Look straight down at the hitch. Okay, we talked about the 4-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, or locking differential. Let me know. Here's Ivan Lopez here at Banner Ford in Mandeville, 985-966-9443. That's me. Adios, senor and senoritas.